sir.
Okay, guys. For example number 2, there's some typo in here. I didn't type it in. Some information that we're missing. This says write an equation of a line with, okay, come on, smart board. You're not helping me. With a slope of -4. That goes right there. And an x-intercept of 3. Okay? I'm sorry about that, guys. So right after line, it should say with a slope of -4 and an x-intercept of 3. Okay? Now, again, it says write an equation of a line. So that's going to be y is equal to box x plus box. Okay? And this first box, this is the slope, and this is the y-intercept, not the x-intercept. So don't make the mistake Ben made. Oh, he didn't do that. He didn't do that. Okay. All right, Ben, I'm not going to mess with you anymore. But I know that the -4 is going to go in here. I know it has a slope of -4, right? But I don't have the y-intercept. I actually have a different point. And I can use that point to find out what the y-intercept is. Okay? Think about this. This x-intercept of 3, what is its coordinates? What's its x? What is its y? Jordan, what's its x?
-4.
I'm sorry, the x-intercept?
Oh, sorry, I thought you were asking about the slope.
Not the slope. What are the coordinates of the x-intercept? Arjun?
3 and 0.
3 and 0. Because you can remember an x-intercept always has a y of 0. Okay, and it's x-intercept of 3. So these are the coordinates. Now, I don't have b. I don't have that. But what I do have is a y. I have the slope. I have an x. And I can try and find b. Do you see that I'm going to put 0 in here? Because that's a y that I've got. I'm going to put 3 in right here because that's the x that goes with it. And do you see now there's only one variable left? Can I take that equation and find out what b equals? Ben?
Yes, you can.
So I'm going to have 0 is equal to what, Ben?
-12.
-12 plus b. What do I do next, Ian?
Add -12.
I don't want to add -12 because that would give me -24. I just want to add 12.
Add 12, yeah.
Just add 12, sure. So 12 to both sides. And now I can see that b is equal to +12. Well, that's the piece of information I didn't have. So I can just put 12 in here. I used a different point to find out the y-intercept. They gave me the slope. And I used the point that they gave me to find out what the y-intercept was. So what I would write in the answer space is y is equal to -4x plus 12. That's it. Done. Questions about that before I go on? You feel good about that? Now we're going to use similar ideas on these next examples, okay? So keep that in mind. Good job.